Hi, this is Russ from ProTech Epoxy Floors in Newport Richey, Florida. This is a flat two-car garage that we just finished in Trinity. So this is a flat floor, meaning they did not get the baseboard option. Here you can see some of the details that we put in, how to go around the workbench and that box that's there. Here's the softener, details around that. So this was a full diamond grinding. We removed the cure and seal coating. Got back down to bare aggregate concrete, which is the best way to install epoxy. It gives us a good application. Some more details around another fixture. Now we sanded and filled the control joints, and that's why we have a seamless surface. This has a polyaspartic top coat. Polyaspartic is very durable, UV stable. Here's what the lead-in edge looks like. We squared that up and rounded that over. This color is Dolphin. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.